First ride of the season. Woo! You gotta love the pollen, bro. Oops. What's up, squids? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm on my bike, bro. Holy! It's been months. I haven't ridden this bike since, what, October last year? Holy shit. Or probably before October last year. Oh my god. I've been doing my little videos, been doing the walk around videos and stuff. Haven't gotten on my bike since last year. I haven't touched my baby. I love you, baby. Oh my god, I miss you, baby. I miss you. I miss jumping on this bike, feeling this wide open air, man. This cool breeze blowing through my hair. Wait, hold on, I ain't got no hair. Forget that. Woo! This feels good. I gotta go to New York next week, and I'm contemplating, should I ride or should I drive? Because there's some creature comforts I would like on my bike that I don't have. I don't have highway pegs because my legs are kind of long. I'm 5'10". I know most of you know this already. I'm 5'10", 32 inches in. And my legs, after like 30 minutes, my legs start to cramp, man. Oh my god. So highway pegs would be wonderful on this bike, and cruise control, which I never did. There's so many things I wanted to do this bike that I never did. Like I bought levers to put on the bike. I never did it. I bought what do you call these, grips. Never put them on. I bought pegs. Still never put them on. Bro, so many things I was supposed to do this bike that I never did, and it's freaking ridiculous. But I think I want to take the time to get them done within the next couple of weeks or so. Put the pegs on. Yeah, I want to put the pegs on. Oh, he feels so good passing me. I'm doing 100 and something. He's passing me like I'm just standing still. Hey, bro. Do you, bro? It's all good, bro. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad, bro. I'm hurt a little. I'm crying a little inside. It's all good, bro. You hurt my feelings. That dude just passed me at 100 and something miles an hour. I'm doing like 100. He gotta be doing at least 110. Like in that short. These bikes get up so fast, bro. Oh my god. That's the thing about bikes. They get up to top speed pretty damn fast. Yeah, like I was saying, I bought so many things for this bike. Well, not a lot of things, like just cosmetic stuff, and I never put them on. Never put the pegs on. But I want to make time this year, because I think it's almost 2 years I had them. I think I bought them late 21, and I had them all through 22, and I never put them on. And now it's 2023, and I have them, and I need to put them on. It's ridiculous. so I was talking about going to New York. I gotta go to New York next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. I gotta go see my family. It's been a minute, so I wanna go give them a look up. I wanna do that next week. Cruise control, I would love to have, because it's like, from where they live to where I live is like, could be about 130 miles, 150 miles. And to do that, I know it's not a long ride, but cruise control and highway pegs would help tremendous, because after 30 minutes, I get cramped up on this bike because I got my long damn legs holding the throttle all the way to fucking New York. It'll be a pain in the ass. My hand's hurting me already, and I just started riding. I mean, I need that cruise control, bro. I need that cruise control in my life, because I would have to keep coming on and coming off, coming on, coming off. And I don't want to buy that that thing that you put on there and clamp it. I don't want to do that, because I know it's easy to get off, but I may panic and forget to freaking click the button to get it off, or I may panic and forget to pull in the clutch or whatever. I don't want to be a statistic. Oh, I miss this shit. I miss riding, man. Oh my god. And I just jumped back on the bike and I just started riding like I was riding from yesterday, bro. It just like it's like everybody said it's riding a bicycle. You just get on and you just, oh my god, bro. I haven't ridden this but in almost 6 months. I just got on and I just riding like if I but I do need to go to the lot to practice, and I'm gonna have some practice videos out. I try to go every year to the lot to practice. So this year I'm gonna make a video of that for new riders who are now learning to ride and who's going to take their test. That'll help my channel as well, because oh my god, my videos from last year, my riding videos from last year are still getting views. So that is what you call evergreen content. So I want to put that video out. I want to put those videos out on the channel. So I'm gonna do that next year. Alright guys, I am gonna cut it out here. I appreciate you tagging along for the first ride of the season, for me at least. And guys, remember to be safe out here, man. Keep your eyes on the swivel. We're watching these guys, man. These crazy guys driving around out here. So keep your eyes on the swivel. Keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, guys. And I'll see you in the next one, man. Peaces. Love you long time. Oh, look at deer. Holy shit.